Let us see how to compress the video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you have created a project and you want to export this. So at the time of exporting the project, you can compress it as well. So through that, go to File and then go to Export and then click on Media. And on this screen, you can configure some settings which will allow you to reduce the size of your file. So at the bottom of the screen, it will show you estimated file size. So with the current setting, it is gonna be 80 MB file after you export that. But if you want to reduce that, what you can do is you can do a couple of settings. For example, in the format we have selected H.264, and in the preset you can select 720, 480 depending upon like how that particular project or the clip is going to be used. You can use 480p. So if you do 480p, you can see that the estimated file size is now reduced from 80 MB to 25 MB. But with 480p, it will not look good on the most of the screens. On the quality of the video will not be good. Most of the time you would like to use the high quality 1080p high definition. So if I select that, you can see that now the file size has been increased from 80 MB to 158 MB. But there are some other ways as well in which you can reduce the file size. So if you go to video section over there is this setting called as target bitrate, and you can reduce that. So right now it is set to 20, but if you reduce that, it will also reduce the exported file size as well. So you can notice that right now it is showing 158 MB, and if I reduce it, so you can see with the 3.67 bitrate, so this is actually a Mbps, so 3.67 Mbps, the estimated file size is going to be 31 MB. But if you reduce the bitrate, what happens is that quality of the video is also decreased. So just play around with this setting. Most of the time you would like to have the bitrate around 6 to 7, and you will get the video with high quality as well as with less size as well. That's it. So these are some settings that you can use to compress your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.